Hello friends, so just by seeing the topic of the video, it might be clear to you what we are going to discuss in this video. So as usual, firstly we will discuss the normal method to solve a matrix, and then we will discuss how to solve the matrix with the help of a trick. So please don't skip the video and watch the video till the end. So let's meet in the end of the video. So friends, here is our random matrix that we are taking here to solve it with the help of the normal method that we are studying from the 10th class itself. So first thing that we are doing, we always does, that is we have to compare the matrix with IA matrix, means I matrix having 3 rows and 3 columns. So if you don't know about the I3 matrix, you should see here what is I3 matrix. This we are taking again the A matrix, that is a random matrix, and this one is the I3 matrix about which I was discussing before. So we have to compare this matrix with this matrix, and what changes we will see here will be our answer. This is the random method that we are studying from the 10th class itself. So now we will do the same thing here also. So firstly we will do here is we are going to replace the first row with R1 plus R2, that is 1 3 5 1 2 3 and 3 1 1, and the same thing we will do here also, that is 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. And now again we are going to replace the R2, means second row, with R1 minus R2, and third row with 3 R1 minus R2. Okay, so we will see here we will get 1 3 5 and 0 1 2 and 0 8 14. So same thing we have to do here also. Then we will get 1 1 0 1 0 0 and 3 3 minus 3, means what we had done, that is R2 R1 minus R2 and R3 with 3 R1 minus R3. Okay, now again we will do the same thing here also. We will get 1 3 5, and now here we are going to do R3, we are going to replace R3 with 8 R2 minus R3. So you will see here 0 1 2, we will get 0 1 2 and 0 0 2, and here we will get 1 1 0 1 0 0 5 minus 3 and 1. We had done R3 8 R2 minus R3. Okay, now here we will do the same thing again. We will get 1 3 5 0 1 0 0 0 2, means what we had done we will see here by writing the statement minus 4 3 minus 1 5 minus 3 and 1. So what was the statement is, that was R2, we had replaced R2 with R2 minus R3, that's it. Again we will do the same thing here also. Then we will get 1 3 1. So the main thing is we have to focus on the statement, then you will come to know what we had done in the matrix. By just seeing the matrix, it might not be clear to you what we are doing. That we will be confused in the numbers itself, what the numbers are written as. So just focus on the statement and you will come to know what we had done in the matrix to make it as comparatively same with the I3 matrix. That is, here we had done R1 is replaced by R1 minus 2R3. Okay, so here we will get 101 and 0 1 0 0 0 1, and now here also we have to do the same thing. 3 minus 2 1 minus 4 3 minus 1 and 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So what we had done here is R1 is replaced by R1 minus 3R2, and what the again thing we had done is R3 is replaced by 1 by 2 R3. So the next and the might be the last step, that is we had done. You will see that the A matrix is just same as the I matrix, means I3 matrix that we had taken on the other side. So the matrix on the RHS side is now on the LHS side. So we are much nearer to the answer. That is, what we are finding is the inverse of the matrix. Inverse of the matrix A matrix, that is here. So you can see here, that is we are writing here is the inverse of the A matrix, that is I3 matrix, and here is the answer that we had got is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 4 3 minus 1 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So friends, here was the contemporary method that we are studying from the 10th class itself, and you can see it is too much long. A full one page is filled with this solution of this matrix. So it is too much typical for the students who are studying this method, and it might be possible that you will not get much time to solve this type of questions, and it will take too much time to solve it. So here we will discuss about the tricky method to solve these type of questions in the competitive exams in too much less time. So again we are taking the same question. You can see here the question we had done earlier, and now also we are taking the same question. So you can compare both the questions and check the answer that we are getting the same answers or not. So here is the tricky method, how we have to solve these type of questions with the help of tricks just in few minutes. So let's see. Firstly, the first thing that we have to do is to find the determinant of the matrix. So we all know how to find the determinant of the matrix. So firstly we will find the determinant. That is the simplest method. So if you don't know, you can see here how to find the determinant of a matrix. So many type of questions are clarifying with the help of this video. So the main thing you have to do is you just need to press the subscribe button and a like button. It might not take much time. So if you likes it, then there is no doubt that you should share this video who are needy for such type of tricks. So here is the solution, how to find the cofactors or determinants of a matrix. So here we will get 0 minus plus 8 and minus 10, so we will get directly minus 2. This is the determinant of this matrix. Now the most important thing we are going to do here is we are going to take the cofactors of this matrix. Means you all are in doubt that how we will take the cofactors of this matrix. So we all knows how to take the cofactors of this of a matrix. So just by hiding the matrix rows and columns, we will get the cofactors of a matrix. So firstly we will hide first row and first column. So we will get 2 3 1 1. So here we will write 2 3 1 1. Again what we will do, we will hide this one and we will hide this one. So what we will get, 1 3 3 1. One three 3 1. Again what we will do, we will hide this one and we will hide this one. So we will get 1 2 3 1. Hope you are getting the thing what I am trying to make clear. So again we will do the same thing. We will hide the next row and first column. We will get 1 2 1 1. So here we will write 1 2 1 1. Again we will get the same thing. We will hide the middle column and second row. So 0 2 and 3 1. Again we will do the same thing. We will hide the second row and last column. So we will get 0 1 3 1. Again we will do the same thing. Here we will hide the last row and first column. So we will get 1 2 2 3. 1 2 2 3. Again we will hide last row and middle column. So we will get 0 2 1 3. Here again we will do the same thing. We will hide last row and last column. We will get 0 1 1 2. So here are the cofactors of our matrix. So we will take the signs. How we have to take the signs are as follows. So you can see here, we will firstly start from the positive sign. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So now we will find the cofactors of this matrix. So we will get what we will get. You can see here, we will get 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 2 minus 3 minus 3, minus 3 or plus 2. So we will get minus 1. Here we will get 1 minus 9. So we will get plus 8. Here 3 1s are 3, minus 2 we will get minus. Here we will get minus 5. Again here 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2. So here we will get 1. Here 1 0 0, 2 3s are 6. Here we will get minus 6. Here 1 0 0, 3 1s are 3 plus 3. Here 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 plus 3. Here we will get minus 1. 3 0 0 minus 2, here we will get plus 2, minus minus plus, here we will get 2 0 0 and minus 1, so here we will get minus 1. Now what we will do is we have to take the diagonal numbers as it is, as they are. So we will just write the numbers in the diagonal as they are. So minus 1, minus 6 and again minus 1. So they are as it is. There is no change in these numbers, those are in diagonal. So we will write these numbers as they are. So what we have to change is we just have to change the numbers which align this diagonal. So we will change these numbers, like we are going to change this 8 with 1. So what we will do, in the place of 1 we will write 8. So on the place of 1 we will write 8, and at the place of 8 we will write 1. Again what we will do, at the place of minus 1 we will write minus 5, and at the place of minus 5 we will write minus 1. So and at the place of 2 we will write 3, and at the place of 3 we will write 2. So that's it. And the last and the final thing that we have to do is we have to divide this matrix with minus 2. That's it. So we will write here then we will get the answer, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 4, 3 minus 1, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. That is the final answer that we will get from this trick. Means that is too much small method. You can see only this you can solve in only 3 lines. Hope you liked the video. So we will meet in the another video. Till bye, take care.